Today, let's make these sweet corn tacos for an effortless meal that's so comforting and colorful. The corn filling is inspired by elote, so we will start by sauteing the corn with some butter. It gets a kick from some garlic and all these spices. Saute it on high flame. Now for the creaminess, we will add in some mayo, sour cream and some cheese. And for the brightness, we will add in some lemon and some green onions. And now comes the fun part. For the restaurant style flair, we will smoke this up with some ghee or butter on a charcoal. And this is definitely not a step to be missed. And these are also so customizable to whatever you are feeling for the topping. I have topped these tacos with some rainbow carrot and arugula slaw, sriracha mayo, pickled onions and radishes, some cheese and strawberry salsa. These smoked sweet corn tacos are truly such a fun way to spice up your lunch or a weeknight dinner, and they are so easy to assemble. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.